Hey G-Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is a motion sensor LED light. And you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and right here is basically what the package looks like in the front. Right here in the back they do probably got some specs and features that's on the product. And when you guys look at the side right here, they also probably got some more specs about the product as well. Same thing for the other side right here. But first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take all of it out. So first thing inside right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. But right here is basically what the product looks like. And you see how they do provide guys 3 of them because it does come packed with 3. But since all of them are the same, let me show you guys what one of them looks like. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So right here on top they do have the brand logo. Right here we do have the LED light. And middle part right here is the motion sensor option. If you guys turn to the back, they do provide guys the magnetic option, and they also have the 3M tape. So what you're going to do is peel this part right here and stick it wherever you guys want. And for this back part right here is removable since it is magnetic. So just like this. So once you guys take it out, that is basically the magnet that's on here. So once you guys stick this onto the wall or anywhere else, you can stick the other side onto here. And right here you can see they do provide guys instruction manual as well. So if I do open up, this is basically what the product looks like. And if you guys notice the size of the product is not that big, it's actually pretty small, which is perfect if you guys do want to put this in your closet or something. And you can see for the other side right here, there's another compartment. So let's do open up. For this side right here is basically where you put in the battery, and does require 4 AAA battery. So just make sure to put it inside. And when you guys do purchase the product, it does not include the actual battery, so you do need to have it yourself. So I should go get my battery to put it inside. So right here I do have my battery from the EBL brand. I want to take out all 4 of them, since it does require 4. So when you put it inside, you have to put negative first. Once you guys put it all inside, you have to close it back up. So you see how when you guys do put the battery inside, it does turn on. And obviously for the product, it will not turn on in a bright setting. So it only works in a dark setting. Let me turn off the light to show you guys what I mean. So this is basically what the light looks like when you guys do turn it on. So there's no button for you guys to turn it on or turn it off or increase the brightness that's on here. So the only way for it to turn off is for you guys to take out the battery, or when it does not sense any motion, it will turn off by itself. Alright, so see we do have the product in a dark setting. If you guys do walk by, you can see how it does turn on. So the product definitely does work in terms of motion sensor option. So that is basically how the product works and what it actually looks like when you guys do use it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality motion sensor light that's basically battery powered and not using cable to recharge it. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.